drift trike update. Last time you guys saw this, we literally just had the axle and the motor, and they were both separate. Now we got it all together. So we got the custom frame all cut and welded up. Made a custom motor plate that is adjustable, so we can slide the motor back and forth to adjust the tension on the sprocket. We got the 5-inch sleeves put on the tires to make it slide. And yeah, all that's left to do is to make some brackets so we can mount the seat. Have to mount the caliper and make the throttle cable, and then it's ready to rip. So it runs, chain's all hooked up, the tires spin, take it for a drive.